Hospital ஒரு கான்ஃபரன்ஸ் பேர் இருக்கு கல்பவ்ருக்ஷா. இது நம்ம இங்கிலீஷில் சொல்கிறது ட்ரீ ஆஃப் நாலேஜ். இப்போ இங்கே நம்ம கிட்ட 250 டாக்டர்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் ஆல் ஓவர் த கண்ட்ரி வந்துருக்கு. அண்ட் வி ஆர் டீச்சிங் தெம் புது டெக்னிக்ஸ் லைக் க்ளூட் ஐவர். நம்ம கம் போட்டால் லென்ஸ் எப்படி ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணோம், யார்கிட்ட சொந்தக்காரங்களை கல்யாணம் பண்ணுது, குழந்தைல லென்ஸ் ஆடுறது, இதெல்லாம் பேஷண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட நம்ம லென்ஸ் ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ண முடியல. நம்ம கம் போட்டால் உள்ள லென்ஸ் ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணுறோம். செகண்ட் டெக்னிக் இஸ் சப்போஸ் நம்ம கண் டிரான்ஸ்பிளான்ட் பண்ணுறது, நம்மக்கிட்ட ஒரு புது டெக்னிக் இருக்குது PDEK பீடெக் சொல்கிறது. இதில் we are just taking 25 மைக்ரான் thin hair மாதிரி கார்னியல் டிஷ்யூ கண் உள்ள போட்டு கிளியர் ஆகுது. இதெல்லாம் புது டெக்னாலஜிஸ் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுறது அண்ட் டீச்சிங் ஆல் தீஸ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். நம்ம பக்கத்தில் இங்கே இருக்க டாக்டர் நம்ரதா சர்மா, சேர்மன் சயின்டிஃபிக் கமிட்டி ஆஃப் ஆல் இண்டியா ஆப்தால்மிக் சொசைட்டி. அவன் வந்துட்டு பேசுகிறது டீச்சிங் பீப்புள் கார்னியாவில் என்ன இன்ஃபெக்ஷன் வருது, சப்போஸ் மட்ராஸ் ஆகியிருக்கு, சென்னை ஆகியிருக்கு, இப்படி ட்ரீட் பண்ணணும், இப்படி மேனேஜ் பண்ணணும். இங்கே பக்கத்தில் இங்கே நம்மக்கிட்ட இருக்க டாக்டர் அத்யா அகர்வால், who is director of Agarwals Eye Hospital, and madam was teaching people on how to fix lenses with glue. Ange Dr. Soundri irukku. So all these people from all over the country namu kupte to teach people. Main thing remember, when the doctors are learning the knowledge, that is how the country will improve. India la namu kitte irukku 1.8 crore blind. Imagine, நம்ம 1.8 crore பிளைண்ட்லே 55% பொறாப்பத்தி இருக்குது, 55% பொறாப்பத்தி இருக்குது. அப்புறம் நம்மக்கிட்ட டயபெட்டிஸ் இருக்குது, அங்கே ப்ராப்ளம் வருது, அடிப்பட்டுச்சு ப்ராப்ளம் வருது. ஆல் திஸ் ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் பண்ணிட்டு ஆகணும். வி நீட் மோர் டாக்டர்ஸ் டு சால்வ் திஸ் ப்ராப்ளம். இப்போ அகர்வால் ஹாஸ்பிட்டலில் 160 ஐ ஹாஸ்பிட்டல்ஸ் இருக்குது. இதில் 15 ஹாஸ்பிட்டல்ஸ் ஆஃப்ரிக்காவில் இருக்குது, ரிமைனிங் இந்தியாவில் இருக்குது. But our aim is to touch 300 hospitals in the next 2 years. And this is what Kalpavriksha is about. So that we can train doctors, teach them how to go to the next level, pudu techniques, pudu surgeries, learn panna. Thank you. See, Agarwals Eye Hospital நீங்க பாக்குறேன், சென்னையில 20 ஹாஸ்பிடல் இருக்கு. Okay, and you all know the new building வருது இங்க கச்சீரல் ரோட். By 2024 it will be ready. Main idea என்ன இருக்கு, today if you see நம்ம blind இந்தியால எவ்வளவு ஜாஸ்தி இருக்கு, we need more hospitals, we need more doctors to treat, because நம்ம population 1.5 billion. In that 1.8 crore blind, think பண்ணுங்க. ஈவன் பாப்புலேஷன் ஆஸ்திரேலியா அவ்வளோ இல்லை, நம்ம பிளைண்ட் அவ்வளோ இருக்கு. ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ.
मैम इधर देखो, बस எடுத்துக்கணும் பின்னாடி வாங்க.
Come on.
Dr. Namrata Sharma, respected guest of honor, Dr. Santosh Munawar, other dignitaries on the dais, and ladies and gentlemen. I think Namrata Sharma and Santosh Munawar both have been so close to us. Whenever we hold the Kalpavriksha, we invite them. And we don't invite them because they are close to us. We invite them because they just rock the audience, that is all of you. And you have already heard Namrata Sharma talk. That sort of subject matter is abnormal. I don't think there's anyone else in the top peer-reviewed journal that you see, her name is there. I do not know how many she has, must be having 700 to 1000 peer-reviewed articles in her name alone, which is huge. I mean, there are very few in the world who can match her. When you talk of Santosh Munawar, again, the subject matter which comes out from him, the knowledge which comes out from him, and when he talks to you in the afternoon session, you'll find it really interesting. About Agarwal Hospital, just to tell you all, it is a nice thing that we are having so many hospitals and all these people here behind me, as you can see, Soundari, Preeti, Divya, who are running the whole system with, I see Ramya there also, running the whole system, and that is what the endeavor of Agarwal Group of Eye Hospital is. For Kalpavriksha is nothing but a tree of knowledge, and hope you all enjoy. Thank you.
Kalpavriksha. You all know Dr. Amardas said, Soundri also said, this is the 16th year where we are conducting the Kalpavriksha. First of all, I would like to welcome Dr. Namrata Sharma, about whom you all heard so much. When I just walked in, her lecture was mind-blowing, don't you think so? And we are going to see Dr. Hanover very soon, and his lectures are going to be, you have to start taking the notes when he gives lectures. So that's why every time they are with us in Kalpavriksha. Kalpavriksha is nothing but wishful knowledge, tree of knowledge. If you have witnessed a few Kalpavrikshas earlier, some of you, every time we bring in different thing into the audience. This time I heard the number has increased, every year it is going on increasing. What are we planning to do here apart from the lectures? Today whole day you are going to hear everybody who already heard so many topics which are going to be very, very knowledgeable to you, because all of you are coming from 35 states of postgraduate institutes, and you are going to become ophthalmologists very soon. You will be a part of the All India Ophthalmological Society, which houses about 27,000 ophthalmologists in India. Am I right? So at least 25,000 are still alive, and you will be one of them who will be registered into the AOS. With this knowledge, you can go anywhere, not only in India, anywhere in the world, and you can do more and more. I wish you all a very good learning period for this next 2 days. Not only the lectures, tomorrow we have a practical section in which some of you will be given case presentations, and you will be given a Mrs. T. Agarwal Tahira Award, for which, and also a best performance by our late Dr. Velayam, and no one other than Dr. J. Agarwal's Exemplary Awards. Not only this, you can have one-to-one knowledge, and you can share your doubts, everything with Dr. Namrata, with Dr. Santosh Hanover, anybody who is giving a lecture. The lectures are going to be of different subjects, and different knowledge you can acquire in these 2 days. So when you go home, you should compile your own thing, what you learn from this continuous medical education program which we conduct year by year, so that we can train you all not only in theory, in practical. Some of the case presentation, video presentation and all today must have been a little bit advanced for you, like Ashwin's blue dial, but believe me, all these are going to be asked in your exam, because I go through all the papers every year, and you can see that even advanced things like blue dial, pre-decimus endothelial keratoplasty, everything is one of your theory questions. So nothing is going to be not knowledgeable for you. So again, whatever you want in these 2 days, and tomorrow is going to be a most interesting thing for you people. You will be given a case. The cases can be very difficult also, can be very PG also. You will have a quiz competition. You will be given an award. So enjoy these 2 days. I wish you all a very, very happy Kalpavriksha 2023, which is the 16th Kalpavriksha from Dr. Agarwals Eye Hospital. Thank you.
Child of Dr. Amar Agarwal. I would like to welcome Dr. Amar Agarwal, our chairman, Dr. Agarwal, our managing director, to the inauguration of Kalpavriksha. Without your support and encouragement, this is not possible, sir. Welcome Dr. Namrata Sharma and Dr. Santosh Kalawat, who have been a part of our Kalpavriksha since its inception, like in 2007. They are experienced teachers and they share their knowledge to us every year on year. This has been happening. We welcome all the students who have travelled from faraway places to attend this CME program.
Santosh sir, and they are doyens in ophthalmology, and there is no Kalpavriksha without them. They are part of our family, part of the Agarwal family. And I'd like to especially thank them for gracing us today in spite of their busy schedules and always being a part of Kalpavriksha. And there's never been one without them. And I would like to extend a heartfelt thanks to Professor Amar Agarwal. This has been his brainchild. And our chairman, who is a visionary and by far the best teacher you can ever come across. And his energy is so infectious in the OP or in the theatre, and he always tells us to aim for the sky and nothing less.